All right, so here we have a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. We have some videos of where we did a charcoal canister and a relocator kit because we had the canister come apart. So this vehicle has now a large evaporative leak, but we suspect it's going to be the evaporative solenoid that's just plugged up with some of the charcoal canister. So we're going to go ahead and inspect this now and see what we find out. All right, so we'll go ahead and remove our top engine cover here. So I have a 15/16 socket. All right, and this is going to be our purge solenoid right here. This is what gives our intake vacuum through this line back to the gas tank to pull the vapors out or to create a vacuum on the tank. We'll go ahead and, let's see, first off we'll go ahead and remove this line here. All right, so I do see we have some of the, from the other video that we have where the canister came apart, it looks like we have some charcoal pellets stuck up in the, all right. We'll go ahead and remove this, our electrical connector. It's going to be our 15/16 again. All right, so you can see this is where our port is. So vacuum goes in one side from the intake, and then this is what delivers it back to the tank. So it's like we've sucked some of that charcoal canister into that line. So this is basically, it's saying we have a big leak, but it's because we're not being able to show vacuum on the gas tank. So it's a little trick there. It's not actually a leak, it's just a blockage. So we'll go ahead and replace this now. All right, so here we have a new purge solenoid that we got from Auto Parts Direct to You. All right, and we can tell that it's not plugged like that one where our problem was. So we'll go ahead and reinstall. All right, so we're gonna have to put it up in the air and blow the line back this way. All right, so here we are under the vehicle. So this is the canister relocate kit that we've already installed for the canister coming apart. All right, so this line right here is what's gonna go to the engine to induce that vacuum. So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect this line and then blow air through it, and hopefully we can get all the rest of the stuff out of there. All right, so here we have our emissions line going back. There is a coupler just behind the engine. When we were blowing air through, we did blow that coupler loose. So I went ahead and pulled this out, and we could rattle it around. It had a lot of stuff in there. I beat it off. We didn't catch it on camera, but there was a ton of stuff inside there. So now we got this line clear. I'm going to go ahead and blow that line through one more time, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall it. So I'm going to blow from under the vehicle upward because I can't reach this fitting back there. It is kind of a blind fitting. All right, so now we'll go ahead and reattach our hose. All right. All right, so now we'll go ahead and Put our line back through, back on here. And our electrical connector. And we were already tight here. Alright. Now we'll go ahead and put our cover back on. Okay. All right, so normally, once we got to this point, we'd go over to the scan tool and we would clear the codes out. This vehicle had about 14 different codes in it that are communication CAN bus lines. So I don't want to erase any of the data that's already in there so that we can work on that problem next. So we're all set with this for now.